Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to call Excel macro from UiPath. So over here we have one menu which is developers. However, if you are not able to get this developers option, then go to the file, then more, and over here you will get options, and now you have to select customize ribbon and then just select this option, developer option, and click OK. Then you will be able to see this developer option over here. Now click on macro, and we are going to give the macro name as UiPath, and create. Then we are going to write one sample macro code which is going to print hello world into this cell, this first cell. So this will be sales 1,1 equal to hello UiPath. Now we are going to save it, and then you'll get this option because this is a normal Excel. So I have to save this Excel file as a macro enabled Excel file. So click on no. From here I have to choose this option which is Excel macro enabled workbook, and then save it. Now over here I'll get this option, just run it, and then you can see it's going to print over here like hello UiPath. Just let me rerun it, and then you can see over here. So this macro we are going to call from UiPath. So let me clear this value, and I'm going to save this. Now go to the UiPath, and from here we need to take Excel scope, and then I need to provide the path. So press shift right click and copy as path. I'm going to put it over here. The next activity will be execute macro. And here I have to pass the macro name, that is hello UiPath. That you can verify from here that this name of the macro is UiPath. I'm going to save this and close. Now this file I'm going to run and just check like whether it is going to execute that macro or not. So port is running right now, and I guess now let's open and verify. And over here you can see we got hello UiPath over here. So thank you for watching.